Today we're sharing 9 life-changing ways to reduce your waste. We're talking about challenges that will transform your habits and your home. Most of us throw away over 4 pounds of trash every day. Stick around as we count down 9 powerful ways to reduce waste, including one you've probably never heard of. Challenge 1. The Plastic Gauntlet. Your mission? Go 1 week without single-use plastics. No straws, no disposable cups, no plastic cutlery, no water bottles. It's tougher than it sounds, but here's your toolkit. A reusable water bottle, coffee cup, stainless steel straws, and bamboo cutlery. This isn't just about saying no to a straw, it's about changing your relationship with consumption. You'll start seeing plastic everywhere and realize how dependent we've become. The first step is awareness. Once you see it, you can't unsee it. Say goodbye to single-use plastics and make the swap. Challenge 2. The Ultimate Bulk Bin Heist. Eliminate packaging by shopping almost entirely from the bulk section. Bring your own containers, glass jars, cloth bags, old takeout tubs. Challenge 3. Composting. Turning food scraps into black gold. Food waste in landfills creates methane, a potent greenhouse gas. Your challenge: compost every food scrap for a month. Backyard? Set up a simple compost pile or tumbler. You'll see your trash bags get lighter each week. Pick your method backyard bin, bokashi bucket. 1 month, 0 food waste in your trash can. This is one of the most impactful changes you can make. Turn your trash into treasure. Let's do this. Challenge 4. The Reusable Revolution. Replace disposable items with durable, beautiful reusables. Start in the kitchen. Swap paper towels for cloths, plastic wrap for beeswax wraps, and use reusable bags. These swaps save money and reduce waste. Switching to reusables could save your family over $500 a year. Never take a plastic shopping bag again. Keep cloth bags everywhere. Extend the revolution to your bathroom reusable cotton rounds, safety razors, menstrual cups. Every disposable item has a reusable alternative that's cheaper and better for the planet. Your mission? Replace at least 5 disposable items in your home this week. Choose durability over convenience. Build a home filled with things that last. What will you replace first? Share in the comments. The best ideas get pinned. Challenge 5. Delete your paper trail. Go digital to save trees. First, obliterate junk mail. Use online services to remove yourself from mailing lists. Switch all your bills and statements to paperless. No more piles of envelopes, just a cleaner, greener life. Replace sticky notes and printed lists with your phone's Notes app. Save recipes digitally, read ebooks, and use digital magazines from your library. The average office worker uses 10,000 sheets of paper a year. Every digital choice counts. Go on a paper diet, unsubscribe from junk mail, switch to paperless billing, and digitize your daily notes. Bonus: when you must print, go double-sided. This is one of the easiest challenges, but the collective impact is huge. Challenge 6. The Ultimate Upcycling Challenge. Before you throw anything out, ask, can I repurpose this? Turn glass jars into storage, old t-shirts into cleaning rags, and broken items into something new. Find one unupcyclable item and give it a new purpose. Get creative. People have turned tires into planters, bottles into gardens, and computer towers into mailboxes. Upcycling isn't just eco-friendly. It's a chance to create unique, story-filled items for your home. This challenge changes your perspective on waste. See opportunity, not trash. Challenge 7. The No Food Waste Kitchen. The average family throws away a quarter of their food. Let's change that. Go 1 week without tossing any edible food. Step 1. Meal plan around what you already have. Step 2. Love your leftovers. Pack them for lunch or transform them into new meals. Step 3. Use the whole ingredient. Save veggie scraps for broth. Use citrus peels for cleaner. This isn't just about the environment, it's about saving money too. That wasted food could be costing you over $1,500 a year. Respect your food, your money, and the planet. 1 week, 0 food waste. Keep a log and see how much you save. Challenge 8. Adopt a minimalist mindset. The best way to reduce waste? Stop it at the source. Go 30 days without buying any non-essential physical items. Just food and toiletries. This shopping ban will reset your brain and help you appreciate what you already have. Afterward, adopt a buy-it-for-life mentality. Choose quality over quantity. This isn't about deprivation, it's about curation. Fill your life with things you love and need, not clutter. Less waste, less stress, more time and money for what matters. Ready for the 30-day shopping ban? Let's see who can make it. Final challenge. The ripple effect. Multiply your impact by sharing what you've learned with at least 3 people. Tell your friends, family, or coworkers about your journey. Share your wins and tips. Influence your workplace or school. Suggest switching to reusables or starting a composting program. Use your power as a consumer. Support sustainable brands and ask companies to reduce packaging. True change happens when it becomes a movement. Every person you inspire creates their own ripple. Together, we create a wave. Don't keep this knowledge to yourself. Share this video, start a conversation, and be the spark for change. Let's create a massive ripple effect to protect our planet for generations. That's it, 9 life-changing challenges to reduce your waste. These tips aren't just good for the planet, they're good for you. Lower bills, less clutter, more intention. Which tip will you try first? Let me know in the comments. Reducing waste starts with awareness and small steps. You don't need to be perfect, just begin. Pick one challenge and start today. Thanks for watching. See you next time for more sustainable living tips.